Good morning from Copper Cliff. I I had a slow start to the morning today. So yeah, there was no good morning. I'm awake in the car at Walmart because yeah, that's where I stayed last night. But yeah, I am in Copper Cliff now to see the Inco Superstack. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. It's massive. So I'm going to show you that and give you some information about it. So this is in a parkette right near the Inco Superstack, which is right behind. Thing is huge. So it's 381 meters tall, and was when did it start? It was started in 1970, and it was completed in 1972. It's Canada's tallest chimney and the tallest in the Western Hemisphere, and it is the second tallest freestanding chimney next to one in Kazakhstan. That one has the number one. But yeah, I don't know if it necessarily puts it into perspective, but that thing is huge. Holy crap. Like, massive smokestack. But yeah, it's not in use anymore and it's slated for demolition. But here it is in all its glory. Guess that's why they call it a super stack. So yeah, it's now owned by Vail, and obviously it's still in operation here, but they don't use the smokestack anymore. So there's the Big Nickel here in Sudbury, Ontario. It's pretty cool. There we go. Information about the Superstack, which you can see through here. And here we go. This is why I came over here. Reclaimed slag piles. So all the hills, oops, and everything, they're reclaimed slag piles. The slag from the mining used to get dumped onto the hills there, and they used to be really gross. They're all black and disgusting. And now they're green and full of new life. I came here when I was a kid with my father, and I saw those hills when they were slag piles. And then I came here as an adult, and I was like, where are the slag piles? And then I saw this, and I was like, wow, that's amazing. Because I would not have thought they'd be able to reclaim them. Because mining is a very dirty business. Anyway, this is where the Big Nickel is. Dynamic Earth. You can go in and learn more. Bye bye, Inco Superstack. You may not be there the next time I come up here. There are two buildings, and we are going to look at this one first. There we go. Abandoned motel on the side of the highway. Yeah, the other building. The building with the rooms. I'm sure this was like office, kitchen. Well, restaurant, that's right. So like the office and the restaurant. And then you come over here and stay. So I'm recording this at a later date because my phone was having trouble after the motel. I hadn't been able to sync it to iCloud, so I couldn't get videos off it, so there was no room on my phone to really record anything. And I tried to record stuff getting down to my friends, and it got cut off. So I'm recording this now so it doesn't just abruptly end at the motel. But yeah, I visited the one friend that I wasn't sure if I was going to see. It was great to see her. We had a great time. I had like the longest hug. It was awesome. And then later that night, I came down to my friend who I've been staying with for the summer. And yeah, I'm going to introduce you. Sharon, say hi.
Hi.
So yes, I've been staying with Sharon and her family for the summer. And yeah, that's almost over. And yeah, it's been great. And they've been super awesome. Really appreciate all their help and everything. And yeah, so I'm obviously back in Southern Ontario. The trip is done. It was pretty epic and I missed the road so much. Thank you so much for following on the journey, subscribing, commenting, liking, all that fun stuff. It's been really awesome. Thank you. And I have my update video of what I'm doing, what's going on, what's happened with me, coming out tomorrow. So tune in then, and the adventure continues. Bye!